Okay, so let's start speech writing. Bhavika is present, but now I'm not going to mark present. He has given the consent now. Acha, now this is for all again. Those who are attending online classes, if you want to come, you have to submit your consent form and then only you can come. And once you submit your consent form, consent to come to the school and attend classes offline, then you have to attend the classes offline only. Then you don't have the option of attending online classes. So be careful about it. Is it okay? And we have already discussed. Correct? So let's start speech writing. Yes, Gurkaran. Speech writing. Tell anything that you know. Punya, what is the time? One point that I forgot to mention, that the time is 8:20 and you have to come according to your time. Got it? Now, sit here. Yes. Gurkaran? You have to present your views, opinions. No, you are going to present your views and opinions about scattered topics, only one topic, two topics, three topics. Sure? You are going to include only one topic when you are discussing the speech. Huh. What? Okay, what kind of views or opinions? Means always negative, always positive? Positive also, it depends, right? Okay, anything else? You have to start. Okay, you start by writing the quotation. Okay, then okay. Anyone else? Sit down. Anyone else? Loudly. You write by for speech. Hmm. 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 Okay, so speech writing, usually we speak. Okay, speech means we speak and we have one topic, and around that particular topic we have to speak. You cannot do this that, okay, in first paragraph you are talking about water, in second paragraph you suddenly decided to change the topic and now you are talking about population. Third paragraph again you started changed your mind, now you are talking about education. Okay, got it? You have to talk about only one topic. You can talk about the advantages, disadvantages, or anything related to that particular topic only. Done? Is it okay? Then speech, it means you are going to represent your views, your opinions, your beliefs to the audience. Okay, there is going to be, you can say, some audience that will listen whatever you have to say. So while writing speech, make this thing clear that you are trying to interact with them, try to involve them. Use these phrases. Okay, like ask questions, obviously rhetorical questions in which definitely you are going to give the answers only, but ask questions. Is it okay? Clear? So first, the important thing is that we use different paragraphs to present our views. Harsh, Justin. Thank you. How to start? First, we are going to start with the quote, right? You are going to start with a quotation. If you start directly, still it is okay, but then definitely you will lose marks. Okay? Clear? Not able to find any quotation, appropriate quotation at that particular time. Do one thing, just jumble the words of your topic. Okay? Jumble the words of your topic. Suppose this is your topic. You can easily jumble the words. Okay? And then form any quotation of your own. Clear? While writing the quotation, put that quotation into quotation within quotation marks. After writing that, you have to what? Introduce. You will greet. Okay, you are going to greet the audience, including judges and then teachers. While greeting them, try to use good words. Okay, and don't write good morning, all of you present here. Is it okay? Mention individually. Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers, judges, chief guest, जो भी तुम लिखना चाहते हो, it is up to you. Mention individually. Don't cover just by saying good morning all of you. Not like this. ठीक है? एक तो word limit तुम्हारी कम हो जाएगी. If you will introduce individually, then definitely this will increase the word count. Got it? Right? Then after greeting, you have to introduce. This is introduction. This forms first para only, these two things. Introduction, what are you supposed to introduce? Who are you supposed to introduce? Okay, you are going to introduce the, that's all? Yes, you will introduce yourself, plus you will introduce the topic. Is it okay? Now, to introduce the topic, don't write like this. Today I am going to speak on the topic this. ऐसे नहीं लिखना. Today I am going to speak on the topic. Write like this. Choose different words. Okay, today I got the chance, or today I am here, standing here to present my views, give my opinion, share my belief on the topic. नहीं लिखना, on the topic or about this, or how the teachers are just torch bearers for us this way. ठीक है? Don't write on the topic this. ये words जो हैं वो remove कर दो totally. Not supposed to write this. While writing letter also, today I am going to write a letter, or today I am writing this letter to tell you. ठीक है? We know that you are going to write the letter. We know that you are going to speak about, or this is the speech. Some few students do this also, that today I am going to give speech on the topic. We know you are standing here. It means you are going to speak. Okay. Just mention the topic directly. Today I'm here to represent my views. Today I'm going to present my opinion, belief, whatever on how, what, jo bhi hai topic. Directly come to the topic. Then mention the occasion. Whenever we have this speech competition, you can say, or whenever we give our views, opinions, usually we have some kind of occasion, right? Occasion, any occasion. If you are not able to connect it to any other kind of occasions, go for the special assembly. On the occasion of special assembly, like this, Independence Day, Teachers Day, Gandhi Jayanti, there are so many occasions. Is it okay? Mention the occasion. Clear? Done? First para done. I think it will be of 3 to 4 lines or maximum 5. That's all. Clear? After that, this is formal formal introduction and all. We have greeted the audience, we have introduced the topic, and we have also introduced ourselves. Then after this, then we'll change the paragraph. We are going to develop the topic, development of the topic. Development of the topic. In this, we are going to give details, right? In this part, we are going to give details. What kind of details? Now, here we will express our opinions. Like if we want to support something, we'll talk about advantages, disadvantages. Suppose the topic is general, then you can start with this. Start with the definition. Definition in the sense that not exact definition, but just tell that what the topic is about. Suppose writing about water, definitely you are not going to give the exact definition of water, that water is what, but talk about that this is water, right? Don't talk about the compositions ki isse milke bana hai, usse milke bana hai, not like that. But still, if you write, there is no harm. Okay? Then in this paragraph only, after writing the what is the topic about, and then start writing about the causes, reasons, effects, solution. This is the sequence. First, you will give the definition. The topic is about this. After writing that, you have to tell if the topic demands causes, write down the causes. Okay? Then effects, and at the end give solution. तो इसी के 3 या 4 paragraphs बन जाएंगे. If you have advantages, disadvantages, then divide accordingly. First, introduce means define that, okay, this topic is this, we are talking about this thing. Change paragraph, talk about advantages, talk about disadvantages, then talk about your opinion. Clear? Division of paragraphs, that is very important. And what you do while writing speech or writing anything, you forget to divide your speech or letter into paragraphs, and then you lose marks. Clear? This development of topic, mostly 3 to 4 paras. 3 to 4 paragraphs. For every new idea, change the paragraph. You are writing causes, 1 paragraph. As soon as you are going to start with effects, change the paragraph. Try to mention minimum 2 causes to everything in twice, you can say. Okay? 2 in number, 3, 4, but वो हो जाएगा कि तुम बस एक लाइन लिखते जा रहे हो. ठीक है? If you are writing the cause, mention 1 cause, explain that cause, mention other cause, explain that cause. ठीक है? Change paragraph, come to effect. First effect, explain. Second effect, explain. Got it? 3 to 4 lines के easily paragraphs बन जाएंगे सारे. 3 to 4, 4 to 5 इतने lines के आराम से बन जाएंगे. Same with advantages. Choose any 2 or 3 advantages. Explain those advantages. Same with disadvantages also. Done? Clear? Pulkit, done? Repeat. हाँ हाँ. What about greetings? वो तो आ ही गए हैं, तो ग्रीट हो ही गए. Okay, now what about this development? How to develop the topic? I have to develop the topic. I am going to give details. How or what kind of details? General examples. Obviously topic related. That's all. This will make only one, I think, 1 paragraph. पुलकित की क्लास पीछे लग रही है, राघव की भी. Next, after developing the topic, what conclusion we are going to conclude, right? So, okay, in this part only talk about facts, the facts that you know. If you have any kind of data, talk about that. Is it okay? Then conclusion. How to conclude? What? Yes, it is a kind of summary where it is conclusion, sum up, conclusion, almost same. In nutshell, yes. Ask, show some hope that okay, this is the hope if we start doing this. Okay, make appeal that we have to do this. Show your opinion, what your viewpoint is, that you can make one or more paragraph, that is sum up. In sum up, show your opinion. Okay, in sum up, show your opinion that my opinion is this. Conclusion, summarize everything. In sum up and conclusion, what you do, you summarize whatever you have written. Okay, summarize everything. Here in conclusion, show hope, make appeal, ask them to join hand to prevent this and that, whatever the topic is. Okay, or ask for some kind of action. किससे बात कर रहे हो? You are talking to your listeners, your audience. Okay, so you have to ask them, you have to show them hope or ask them for some kind of action. Got it? And at the end, you are going to end. How to end? You are going to say thank you. ठीक है? Don't say thanks. That's all. बच्चे लिखते हैं, सारा लिखने के बाद at the end thanks. इतनी बड़ी स्पीच बोली दी है, तो just write few more or say few more words. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you for your time. Right? This way. Don't write thanks only. That is very rude. Okay? Clear? For this is formal. You can say formal ending. How to end formally. Whenever we are doing something formally, we use very polite words. Okay? So use polite words. Don't write thanks. Thank you for your time, for your patient listening, for your precious time or well-being. जो भी कुछ लिखना होगा. One line. That's all. So how many paragraphs in total? 4. That's all. I think 6 to 7. Right? A speech. It means you have to cover 6 to 7 paragraphs. 6 to 7 paragraphs. You are free to use idioms, phrasal verbs if you have, right? Personal pronouns. You can use personal pronouns also. Okay, for speech writing, use personal pronouns. You can even share your own experience, your personal experience. Okay, I was going through this, I did this, but don't use direct speech. My mother said, yeah, the driver said, quotation marks, bring this thing, do that thing. Don't write like that. Use indirect speech, joining with connectors, changing the tense. Is it okay? And the use of tense, it depends, totally depends on the topic, right? If we are talking about some current topic, we'll use present and future tense. Okay. If we want to quote or give some examples, then maybe past tense. Yes, Hardik? Thanks. Formal thanks. Formal thanks. Thank you. Say thank you. Formal ending, you can say. Clear? Anything else? Be careful about the word limit. Mostly speech writing, this comes for 8 marks. You have to write according to 8 marks only. Is it okay? Don't give unnecessary examples and unnecessary details that are not relevant to the topic. Stick to the topic you're talking. You are going to talk about one particular topic throughout your speech. Ask questions. Whenever you want to begin any new paragraph, you can start with a question. Or you can start with exclamatory sentence. Is it okay? Usually we ask questions. Okay, what do you think? What will happen if this happens? Okay? This way. Ask questions. Involve your audience. Clear? Now the topic is teachers open the door, but you must enter yourself. Occasion, Children's Day. Children and then apostrophe S. Don't write children's and then something. Children, apostrophe S, Children's Day. Done? This is the occasion. write down write down the question. You are ABC. Will this go for Teachers Day or Children's Day? Teachers Day. I think for both. यहाँ पे this is just the teachers, they open the door, but the efforts must be done by you. तो किस में लेकर जाए इन्हें? You are free to choose the day, choose the occasion. Okay. Now this is on the you prepare a speech on the topic. This. Prepare a speech on the topic. This. Teachers open the door, but you must enter yourself. Okay. Choose the occasion. Don't write that today I am here to give speech on the topic. Teachers open the door, but you must change. You can even change the wording, complete wording. You know that it is about your efforts. Okay? So you can easily write about this, that yes, teachers, how the teachers help us, but the ultimate task is to be done by us. This way, change, mold. Clear? तुम मोस्टली क्या करते हो, जो टॉपिक लिखा होता है उसे ऑन द गोइंग टू गिव स्पीच ऑन द टॉपिक दिस, ये नहीं करना. स्टार्ट राइटिंग नाउ. राइट द बिगिनिंग, कम हियर एंड स्पीक. जस्ट द बिगिनिंग. बिगिनिंग मीन्स कोटेशन, greeting, introduction. These three things. Nahi, principal ma'am. Include judges also. Maybe some judges are there. If you don't want to include judges, I include chief guests. Okay. On the great occasion of Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, I am here to present my views. This is on Children's Day के बारे में लिख रहे हो, on the occasion of birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru ji. So I am here to present my. Got it? You have, it's 9:4 पे. I am going to call anybody, any child to come here and speak. First we greet. ठीक है? Don't talk, don't discuss. What happened to the monitor? Write just the beginning. Okay. Quotation, greetings, and introduction. I want to see how you are going to introduce the topic. But from this part, it should be clear that you are going to write about this particular topic. यहाँ पे mention होना चाहिए clearly. हाँ, you can write the class. You can write your designation as the monitor, as the head boy, as the head girl of my school. Usually we write class. Okay, one more thing. When you write today, you write today I dash dash dash. You write your name here, right? Today I dash dash dash. After this, what do you write? Go. Okay, if you are writing got, still okay. But if you are going with is, am, are, then go for am. Okay. What we do, we write I, Akriti Sharma of class 8A is going to. Right? We usually write is going to. Don't write is going to, because we use commas here. Commas use kiye. This is the way subject verb agreement. When we use this, then we write according to this. हम इसके अकॉर्डिंग लिखते हैं, इसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं लिखते. वर्ब जो हमने चूज करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस प्रोनाउन और वट एवर द सब्जेक्ट इज. सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर एम, नॉट इज. सेम वे हैव, ठीक है, नॉट हैज. इस नेम के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं जाओगे. यू आर गोइंग टू गो, यू आर गोइंग टू लुक फॉर दिस थिंग. डन. कम परमजीत. लिख सकते हो बट चेंज करो. हाँ हाँ. On the birth occasion of the on Dr. Radha Krishnan Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and you are going to write talking about the importance of teacher in a student's life. ठीक है? Okay, she has written. So listen carefully.
We must enter ourselves in the doors that the teacher opened. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, honorable chief guest, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Paramjit Kaur, have got a golden opportunity on this day of Teachers' Day to speak on the topic. Teachers open the door, but we must enter ourselves.
Speak on the topic नहीं लिखना. Present my views on the how important the teachers are in a student's life. How teachers help a child to build the future this way. ठीक है? On the topic of नहीं लिखना. ठीक है? And one more thing. You have written opportunity on this day of Teachers' Day. एक ही बात होगी ना? On the day of or on Teachers' Day. ठीक है? On the day और day बार बार नहीं repeat करना. ठीक है? कम बने.
Teachers are the way.
Very good.
Teachers are the way for the success, but to achieve, we have to walk on that way. A very wonderful and humble morning to respected principal ma'am, chief guest, and teachers. Today, I, ABC of 8th class, going to share my views on topic, the role of teacher in our life.
On the topic again, I'm going to present my views of teacher's life in a student, teacher's impact, influence in a child's or student's life. Hurry up.
Education is preparation for life, it's life itself. Teachers are the light who show us path in darkness. A very glittery morning to respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I, Yashika of class 8th, is standing in front of you to present my views on the occasion of teachers.
On the occasion of teachers. अब आपका टॉपिक नहीं क्लियर है. What is your topic? Views किस चीज के बारे में प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो? ठीक है? Yes. Who else? 5 minutes. Come. Hardik after that. Hurry up. Asa done?
Enter the door that teachers open for you. A very warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and chief guests. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I, ABC of class 8th, got the opportunity to represent my views on teachers. Open the door, but you must enter yourself.
रिप्रेजेंट की जगह लिखना एक्सप्रेस. व्यूज जब कर रहे हैं तो हम रिप्रेजेंट नहीं लिखेंगे. ठीक है? एक्सप्रेस लिखेंगे. हार्दिक, हरी अप. आफ्टर हार्दिक आस्था.
Teachers are path for good life. Respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Hardik of class 8th and ABC, and I am here and get a golden opportunity to speak on the topic importance of teacher.
Speak on the topic. फिर वो नहीं लिखना. Speak on the topic नहीं लिखना. आस्था, hurry up आस्था. Hurry up. Be quick.
We all need a light to rely on and remove the dark. A very marvelous good morning to distinguished principal, worthy teachers, and fellow students on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, I, ABC of class 8th, am going to present my views on teachers. Open the door, but you must make the best yourself.
On how teachers open the door. ठीक है? Avni and then Shreya. Hurry up.
Teachers show us the way, but we must walk on that way ourselves. A warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I, ABC of class 8A, am going to share my views on views that how teachers are our second parents.
हाँ, that मत use करना, ये WH वाला हो गया ना, ठीक है? Yes, Shreya.
Teachers can open the gateway to your dreams, but you have to enter yourself. A very warm, pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and all my fellow schoolmates. Today, I, ABC of class 8, am going to share my views on how teachers helps us to build our dreams.
Got it? Don't write on the topic of this and that. Is it okay? Come, Pulkit. Only 1 minute. Hurry up, Pulkit. Very slow.
The God help those who help themselves. A warm and pleasant good morning to respect.
Suitable नहीं जाएगी, चलो फिर भी. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, continue.
To respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friend. Today I got a golden opportunity to share my views on the help yourself.
नहीं, you have changed the topic. नहीं, thought नहीं same लिखना था. You haven't included teachers. Actually, if they are opening the last में लिखा है. They are opening the doors, तो आपने उन्हें door पे ही रहने दिया. You have to mention in the beginning कि teacher का role क्या है एक child student की life में, ठीक है? This is basically about that. Okay? Okay, now be careful about the uniform and the instructions given to you. Got it?